Ladies and gentlemen, eto yung dahilan kung bakit nag-undergo ka na ng self-improvement mo, babasa ka na ng libro, you're reading 10 pages per day, or doing monk mode, hindi ka na nakikisama sa mga kaibigan mo, you're isolating yourself, and you learn about the skills on how to make money, but still, hindi mo nagugustuhan yung results. This is the reason why you're making money, but you're still not satisfied kung ano yung meron ka. This is the honest truth na wala nagsasabi sa'yo. Today is day 33 of Project Dream Life. And today, I just wanna talk to each and every young man that wants to improve themselves, get some bag of money, and katulad ng mga nakikita nila sa social media, the life of entrepreneur, the lifestyle of a millionaire na nakikita ninyo. Guys, this is just a tip of an iceberg. Results na lang lahat ng yon, and byproduct ng dedication and hard work na in-earn nila throughout the year of pursuing their dreams as entrepreneur. Huwag kayong magpapadaya guys. Don't compare your day 1 sa day 365 days nila. You're different and you're unique. Don't stress out if you're not earning that much money at the age of 18, 20, 24, or 20, or whatever. You just keep building yourself. Have a vehicle na magdadala sa iyo sa goals and dreams mo. Have that kind of mentality of a millionaire. Di mo muna kinakailangan maging milyonaryo bago ka magkaroon ng utak milyonaryo. Maging milyonaryo at bilyonaryo yung mga nakikita nating influencers because nagkaroon sila ng billionaires mentality. And yun yung nagdala sa kanila papunta sa pagiging billionaire or millionaire. Guys, if you want that kind of life, you have to sacrifice sleepless nights and early mornings full of gratitude, full of visualization of your dreams, full of hard work. You're 18 years old and you're on your teenage and you're comparing yourself with 40 years old, 35 years old adults na earning from 6 figures, 7 figures, or 8 figures per month. That's why hindi ka talaga satisfied sa sarili mo. Just keep building, bro. Walang mawawala sa'yo. Just keep building your knowledge. Knowledge is power. And walang makakakuha sa'yo ng bagay na yan. Yan yung i-build mo. Build your connections with other people na makakatulong sa'yo. Motivate yourself para abutin yung mga pangarap mo. Build your circle. Alam mo, walang ibang magmo-motivate sa'yo kundi sarili mo. But if you're competing with people that have a strong circle and you're alone, forget about a lone soldier, bro. You need help. And hindi araw-araw motivated ka. That's why you need a circle na magre-remind sa'yo kung ano nga ba yung goals mo and yung vision mo para maabot yon. Imagine you're competing with a pack tapos nag-iisa ka lang. I'm sure madidemotivate ka talaga. That's why you must build your circle. You must build your physique, your mentality, your physicality, your financial status. Again, ang value nating mga lalaki is sa kung ano yung value na kaya nating ibigay. That's why the more valuable you are, the more na magiging mahalaga ka sa ibang tao. That's why just keep building, bro. If you're not earning 7 or 8 figures per month, there's no problem with that. Just keep building. Walang mawawala sa'yo. The more na nagbi-build ka, the more na mas nakikilala mo yung sarili mo and you are setting up yourself for a greater victory sa future mo. Walang ibang tutulong sa'yo kundi sarili mo. Stop chasing girls, stop chasing other stuffs na hindi naman makakatulong sa pag-growth mo. If you want to start your self-improvement journey, then you just start. Walang mawawala sa'yo. Begin with what you have. Maraming mga influencers na makikita mo talaga how they transform their lives with the use of the resources na meron lang sila. Actually, lahat naman talaga ng bagay kaya mong kunin. The problem is, ang kalaban mo lang talaga is yung sarili mo. Just think about this, bro. Nung naglabas si Josh Mojica ng video, di kami tamad. Do you ever felt that guilt? Na sabi mo sa sarili mo na, ang yabang naman ng tao na to. Again, your enemy is not Josh Mojica. It's your insecurity. Ang kalaban mo, bro, yung insecurities mo. Kalaban mo yung sarili mong katamaran. Or yung sarili mong nagsasabi sa'yo that you are better than anyone, but the truth is, hindi talaga. Just a reminder, young kings. Start doing your dreams. Just find your purpose. Hindi yan nilagay sa'yo for nothing. It's because ikaw lang ang makakagawa ng bagay na yan. And you just have to take a step, one step at a time. Just keep doing what you have to do Alam kong alam mo na yung dapat mong gawin. And just do it. Wala namang mawawala sa'yo eh. Nung nag-start ako as a content creator and a funnel designer, ang alam ko lang talaga is basics. Pero alam mo, matututunan mo yun as long as hindi ka humihinto sa pag-aaral. If you want to see a better version ng sarili mo, just start improving day by day and you will see what a working man can do. After ilang years bro, makikita mo na yung progress mo. Di mo man nakikita yung sarili mo ngayon, just don't self-sabotage yourself. Maging masaya ka sa kung ano yung kaya mong i-produce ngayon. And mas lalo ka pa mag-improve para mas maging better ka sa kung sino ka pa noon. Hindi para makipag-compete ka sa ibang tao, but to become a better version of yourself. And for my final message, just keep doing bro. Just keep pushing. And as always, I'm rooting for you. Maraming salamat sa inyo guys. That is all. Thank you for watching. Follow for Day 34.